Hello and welcome to this video. I will share with you step by step how to withdraw money from Jeton, a platform or wallet. So friends, go to Google, search for Jeton wallet. This is the keyword as you can see here. Click on the first website, log in and access with your account, sign up with your all details. And then all you have to do, you will see this dashboard. You have two options here, send and exchange. Click on the send option. When you click on the send option, click on exchange. This one, you should be have money to make withdraw. Click exchange, write your amount you want to withdraw, select USD if you have a USD amount, and then select your currency primary accounts. So this is the first step. You can also make between two accounts or exchange between two accounts. Just choose your amount you want to withdraw and complete your steps. You should be verify your accounts before make any option withdraw. So friends, verify your accounts and then click send or withdraw option. Click send. Thanks for watching.